I'm going to show you step by step how to create an AI music video completely for free, from writing your lyrics to creating your images and scenes, all the way to producing a music video with perfect lip sync using free tools. Even if you don't know how to sing or don't have a production team, you can still create amazing music videos and monetize them right from the comfort of your home or anywhere you are. Hi, my name is Delako. On this channel, you'll find AI tutorials and social media monetization tips. If you want to subscribe, like, and share this video, this really helps the channel grow. Now, let's get started. All right, so I'm going to be showing you different applications that you can use to create a music video, a very good one. So you can decide to choose anyone or use anyone to create yours. Now, the first one I'm going to show you is ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help you write your lyrics. So I'm going to be talking about two apps that can help you write your lyrics. Whatever I'm going to be showing you, you can implement it on any app, right? So let's start with ChatGPT. So just head over to ChatGPT and you can paste this particular prompt like this. So this is my own prompt anyway. You can modify, you can create your own. I said I want to create a music video using AI. I need a gospel lyrics. And I said Thanksgiving mode. My prompt is so simple, right? So you can do further description, depends on the kind of music you want to create. Any type of music, any type, it doesn't have to be gospel. So I'm going to send this particular prompt, right? I'll send it. So if you don't want to use ChatGPT, you can as well use Gemini. If you go to Gemini on your device and paste the same prompt, it's even going to generate the music directly for you. But I want to actually look at the lyrics myself before we proceed. That's why I am using ChatGPT. So look at the lyrics it gave us. When I look back on my life, see the battles that you won, and the chorus. We have the verse 1, we have the chorus, and we have all other things like this, Can you see? Can you see? So this is where it ends. If you want your lyrics to be longer, you can specify, just specify that in your prompts that you want your lyrics to be as long as, you can put it in form of words, more than 1,000 words, and or even more than 15 words, so you can have a longer music video. So with this, I'm going to go with this one. And what we'll be doing next is I'm going to head over to Gemini. So I'm going to copy this all lyrics. I'll just copy this. So let's say I want to just create the verse 1 and the chorus, right? So let me just add the pre-chorus. Let's say I'll copy it, right? And then I'm heading over to Gemini. So on your app store, you can download Gemini if you don't have it, right? I already have it on my device. So this is how Gemini looks like. And on Gemini, I'm going to paste the prompt. I'm going to paste this particular prompt. I'll just say, I'll paste it like this. And under it, I'll type, I said, create an interesting and good music using the lyrics above. So like I said earlier, you can just come here and paste that first prompt I used, or your first prompt by saying it should help you write music. So just go ahead and create the music straight for you. You won't have access to you won't see the lyrics directly. So I wanted to see the lyrics first. That's why I used ChatGPT initially. So after pasting this one, after putting this prompt, you just go ahead and send, right? You don't even need to change any settings. Automatically, it's going to start creating the music for you like this. Okay, so as you can see, it has created the music for us. So let me just play it.
You did it all for me. I didn't deserve it, but you showed me love.
Oh wow, this is so nice. I like it. So what you just need to do is to come over to this part where we have this download, tap on it. There are two options: the track with the album art, like a video file, and then track only mp3 file. So we only need the mp3 file because we're going to be creating our video, you understand? So I'm going to tap on this one and then I'll save the audio to my device. The next step is to create our images, right? So to create our images, you need your prompt. So just ask ChatGPT to help you generate a very beautiful prompt to create your music video. So in my own case, I'm going to use this particular prompt, and I'm also going to mention 3 different apps you can use to create your images for free with consistent characters. So I'm going to start with Gemini so we can see. So what we just do is Now, this is the prompt I'm going to be using. She's going to be standing around the beach. Yes, outside near Ikam Beach. So we're going to send this and then make sure you put the aspect ratio 16 by 9. 16 by 9. And then we'll send. Okay, look at this. Look at this. This is so nice. So we're going to pick on this now and then download. Just click on save and to save to your device. So I want this character to be placed in other locations, like two different environments, to make it like three to create our music video. You know how music videos are. They're always engaging. You could have your artist somewhere else, just inside that same music video. So that's what we are trying to create. I'll just tap on this part and paste this particular prompt. So if you want all the prompts that I am using right now, or that we will still use in this video, please comment prompt and I'll share the document with you. I'll reach out to you on how to get it, right? So she's inside a modern professional studio. She faces a high quality, that, and then we're going to send. Okay, so look at her in the studio. Can you see the same lady in a studio? This is looking so beautiful. So the third one, I'm also going to place the third one where she'll be standing outside. Now I have the third prompt and I'm going to send. So this is what I'm going to get. We've gotten the third image. You can see the consistency in the characters. So you can see the images have watermarks. I have a video on how to remove Gemini or watermarks from your images, and I'm going to put the link in the description box so you can see watch how to do so if you've not seen that video yet. To make your video very clean, you need to remove the watermarks. The next thing I'm going to show you now is how to create an image, how to create an avatar that looks like you. Like if you want the character in your music video to look like you, exactly like you. Yes, I'm going to show you how to create that, right? And to do so, we're going to be using Grok. So we'll move over to Grok. If you don't have Grok, go and download on your device. Go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Grok, and you see something like this. It is totally free to create images. It's the creation of videos that is not free, but creating of images as at now is totally free. I have not created a lot of images on Grok to know if there is a limit, but as at now, it's free. I use it to create my images for now, and it's totally free. Once you open Grok, you see this page, ask. Just go ahead and upload the image that you want to use as reference. You're going to click on this attach file and attach the photo of you, the reference photo. The photo must be very clean, a clear photo of you, and then you have to upload the photo in the format that you want to create your videos with. So if I want to create this video for YouTube, for example, I have to upload a photo that is going to be in the landscape format, that is 16 by 9 format. This is very important because Grok will only use the size or the format of the reference photo to create your photo, unless you are not referencing any photo. So if you're not referencing any photo, you can just paste your prompt there and put the aspect ratio to generate it for you in the aspect ratio. So I'll click on photos and then bring in the image. I'm going to be using this one. And I click on hard. So, and then I'll paste the prompt, I'll paste the prompt and then we'll hit generate. All right, as you can see, this looks like me. We'll click on this to download and to save directly to the device. So you're going to create other versions, the same prompts that I used. I use prompts for different locations, but still the same person. It creates the same me in another location. So I just paste and then I send. I can take the third prompt, like this, and also paste while that is loading. Like this one, same dressing is good. So we'll just go ahead and download it. After getting the images, the next step is for us to animate. And to animate, we're going to be using Google Flow. So just head over to your browser, open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and then we'll go to Google Flow. Click Create with Flow. Sign in with Google. So just click on New Projects, and then you upload the images one after the other. All right, so I've uploaded those 3 shots, as you can see. And if it's the one you generate with Gemini, you can upload as well. Just upload your pictures. And what we're going to do right now, we want to animate. So remember that this platform gives about 50 credits daily, right? So with these 50 credits, I'll be able to create 2 videos two videos. So I'm going to use, I'll create from the first two scenes. Yes, I'll use the first two images to create my video. So right here, I'll click on start and bring in this one, right? And then I'll just paste the prompt to animate. After pasting the prompt, make sure your settings are done properly. Put it on video, frames of video, 16 by 9, so that you don't waste your credits. Put it on times 1, and then you hit generate, right? So I'm going to do the second one. While that is generating, I'll include the second image. I bring in the second image. I'll paste. I'm using the same prompt. So with this, I can only generate two images on this account. So I'll need to switch to another account to create those other clips, right? Now they are both trading. So let's check what it's going to give us. So you can see that is properly done. That's actually good. So we're going to download it. Do not mind whatever she's singing right now or whatever your character is going to be singing at this stage. Yes, you don't even need it. Do not worry. So I'll save this one, save this on my device. I'm downloading the next one. I'm downloading the next one. So I've downloaded all the clips. I'll also animate the third one, download it, and then we'll move on to the next step. Just go to this website, lipsync.video, and then you can sign in. Yes, you'll be asked to check in daily so you can get free credits, right? So day one, you get 50. The next day, it keeps increasing like that if you're able to sign in every day. So you can pile up your credits for a project in advance. And even if you're not ready to do a project, you can just sign into this website and have your credit for that day. Click on this part where we have avatar. You need to upload the video that we got from Google Flow. So I click on upload video and then bring in the video one after the other. So I'm starting with this one. I click on done and wait for it to load. Okay, so this is the video, and then we will need to attach the audio. Remember the audio we got from Gemini. So I click on upload audio and bring in that audio. I'm going to my file and then I'm going to locate where I saved. So this is it. I'll click on it right here and allow it to load. I'm going to allow it. So this is about 30 seconds. So you can cut your music videos in bits. I mean, you can cut your audio in bits so that you can have different scenes in your music video. Like for example, if I wanted to lip sync only the first 5 seconds of this video, I'll cut the first 5 seconds part of that audio and upload it right here. I can just break it into three. I'll divide it into three. So the first 10 seconds is what this is going to be. This particular scene will be lip syncing. So this platform takes 1 credit per second. Since the audio I have right now is 30 seconds, it's going to charge me 31 credits, right, out of the 50. I'm just going to go ahead to generate, but just in case you want to split your scenes, like you want to have different scenes in your video, you are going to split your audio into different parts. You can split it into three, upload the first part and lip sync it with that first scene, like this first scene. Then once that is done, you upload the second part of the audio and lip sync it with another scene. You can do the same all 3 times. So once that is done, you now put everything together in form of a video. So let me just go ahead and generate this one. I will generate this one at the all 30 seconds so you can see. So you see that it's generating right here. The idea is to make your video sing the exact lyrics in the audio. So for us to have a perfect lip sync, right? So we're just going to wait for you to do so. Now the video is ready. Let's see what we've got. All right, so you can see that, like I said earlier, you can break your music videos into scenes. Bring in the first scene, reduce the audio to maybe like 10 seconds. If you want to do like 30 seconds, for example, you can divide them into clips, audio clips. Create your videos, then put everything together using CapCut. So this is where you need your editing skills. Editing skill is important. Put them all together, edit properly, add overlays, and all of that, and you have a full music video. I hope this helps. Please do well to subscribe if you're new. Share this video with someone if you needs it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.